Good afternoon, student. This is so today's topic is network architecture. Network architecture. So please refer the textbook. Network architecture is the design specification of the physical layout of connected devices. This includes cable being used, types of network cards, and mechanism through which data is sent onto the network. Ethernet and token ring architecture are to be discussed below. So first one is the Ethernet. Network architecture is the design specification of the physical layout of the connected device. So in networking, the devices are connected with the help of cabling, without cabling. So this includes the cable being used, types of network cards, and mechanism through which data is sent onto the network. So first one, the network architecture consists of the Ethernet. Ethernet is very popular local area architecture. This uses connection of CSMA or CD access method. Ethernet is also called IEEE 802.3 standards. There are different varieties of Ethernet network. Typically, Ethernet network can use bus physical topology. Some Ethernet network uses star physical topology and bus logical topology. Star bus topology consists of 10 base T. This is the cabling of Ethernet. Ethernet topologies are 10 base 2, 10 base 5, 10 base T, 10 base FL, 100 VG AnyLAN, and 100 base X. These are the topologies which are used in Ethernet. Ethernet is nothing but a very popular, it is a device, but it is used in network architecture. This uses the contention access method, that is CSMA and CD. It is also called as IEEE 802.3 standard. So the name of Ethernet topology begins with the number 100 or 10 or 100 that specifies the transmission speed of network. 10 base 5 is designed to operate at 10 megabits per second. 100 base X operates at 100 megabits per second. Base means it specifies that the baseband transmission are being used. T for unshielded twisted pair wiring. FL is for fiber optic cabling, and VG AnyLAN implies voice grade. X implies multiple media types. So these are the specification used in Ethernet topology. We are in latter lecture. In next lecture, we have discussed the 10 base 2, 5, T, FL, LAN, and X detail. So Ethernet network transmit data in small unit called frame. So the size of Ethernet frame is 64 to 1518 bytes. 18 bytes of total frame size are taken up by frame overhead, such as the source and destination address, protocol information, and error checking information. Ethernet frames are Ethernet 2, 802.2 and 802.3. These are the frames which is included in Ethernet. So Ethernet transmit data in a small unit called frame. So Ethernet is consist of the smaller unit of frame. Different types of frame. The size of Ethernet frame is 64 to 158 bytes. Then next, a typical Ethernet 2 frame has the following section: preamble, then address. So first one, preamble, a field that signifies the beginning of the frame. It means it is the starting position of the Ethernet. Then next point is the address, a field that identifies the source and destination address for the frame. It identifies the source and destination address for the frame. Then next, type, a field that designates the network layer protocol. This is the types of network which is used in Ethernet. Data being transmitted. Then next, CRC, cylindrical redundancy check for error checking. These are the CRC method which is mainly used in operating system also. CRC is the cylindrical redundancy check for error checking. It means if the error is occur in the Ethernet frame, it gets the check. Then Ethernet cabling. Ethernet cabling, the variety of cable can be used to implement Ethernet networks. Thin net, thick net, UTP, STP cable can be used. Traditionally, coaxial cable were used to implement Ethernet. Fiber optic cable are now frequently used to extend geographic range of Ethernet network. The 10 base T cabling uses UTP in star physical topology. 10 base 2 uses the thin net and 10 base 5 thick net. So these are the Ethernet cabling. So we have detail see the 10 base 2. What is mean by 10 base 2? 10 base 2 is the 10, which is the transmission speed, base which specifies specifies that the baseband transmission are being used, and T means T for unshielded twisted pair wiring. So these are the 10 base 2 topology which is used in Ethernet cabling.